Good morning. Today's Thursday, November 12th. I'm doing something a little different today. Trading gold. Okay, this is a 3-minute chart on gold, and this is actually my third trade. I'm trying to look for a bounce here. I know the gold's been getting killed the last few days. In fact, if you take a look at a daily chart, which I want to put up in a minute, we've actually come within 20 to 30 cents from the low that we've seen the last couple years on this gold pullback. So what I did this morning was I bought it in here, made some money. I just traded one contract, really small. Okay, made $100. Then I got long here, and then I had a losing trade, and then I've been able to get long down in here, actually on the retest of that low, and I'm looking for a bigger move here. So as you can see in this just one position right now that I'm long $570 on this trade, and we're long from right here. This is where the market's trading right here. I was locking in some profits here in case it came in back and filled, but now we're getting that move that I was expecting. So again, we took one trade this morning on one contract, made a full point, made $100 there, and then I bought it here, stopped myself out here, lost about 200 and some odd dollars, and then got in again here. So I just wanted to kind of show this because this is a pretty nice move to the upside in gold. Really good. Look at up $900,000 in gold right now. Okay, and I want to show you that daily chart, but since it's a one contract, it's an in and out, right? So I don't want to give back too much of this trade, so let's move this up and see. We're probably going to snap back down again. Hold on, let's take out the sell stop, the protective stop. Look at this, coming right back. Gold can get really, really volatile, so can crude oil. Look at this spike up to the upside. I'm going to go ahead and let's go 81.40. 81.40. Look at this. God, this is a 81.40 right in here. Look at this. All right, let's see. Let's come right back. Let's see if it takes me out at 81.40 again. Long, it's 74.10 rather. 74.10. Long at 74.10. Taking profits at 81. Let's just see what happens. We're going to take out 81.40. Almost there. There we go. Okay, so we look at this. Big, huge bounce up to 85.70 up in here. So this is what I was expecting down in here, and I want to show you a daily chart to show you that when you find critical levels on bigger time frames, you're always going to be looking for the bigger moves. And so I spotted that in gold today. And let me just let me stop this and get a daily chart here for you so you can see it. All right, take a look at this daily gold chart. Okay, these are big numbers that you're looking for. When you get them, you get nice reactions. Look at this low that was put in place in July of this year. Okay, as you can see, we retested that this morning, and that's what I was keying off of. Okay, I didn't know if the market would actually come down and hit that number, so that's why I had two prior trades. I had my stop in place. The first trade I made money. The second trade I lost money. Then I patiently waited for the market to even pull down further. Let's just crunch this chart up a little bit more so you can see that major low. See, look at that. This is a daily chart. Let's just move it out to a weekly chart. Okay, so this huge gold run up that we've seen in the last few years, right up in here, right? Essentially, you know, we're down to this level. We've tested this level in July. We're testing it, and so far we're bouncing. And that's the purpose of those trades this morning, was to catch the bounce I was anticipating. So that's it. So let's just see. Look at this. So taking a look at that 3-minute chart, got that big bounce up. Look at this. It took me out pretty much to the tick here on a sell stop. Look at that at 81.40, and right back up to test that at 85.70. Look at that. So nonetheless, it was a good trade. And when you take a look at this, 3 trades, came out with $570. Just trading one contract. And again, you can trade gold for $2,500 to $5,000, a gold futures contract, and look at 570 on that. Again, that was 3 trades. One here, we had 100 here. I believe we lost about 250 there, and made a little over 600 or 700 on this trade right in here. And look at this. Again, and if you were trading multiple contracts, chances are you'd still be in this trade. Okay, so have a great day. Hope that helps. Bye for now. All right, I'm back with another video, but this time the E-Mini S&P 500 looks like we bottomed here. Unfortunately, I was looking at something else and I missed the retest of the low of the day, which really upsets me because that would have definitely been better trade location. Okay, this was the low of the day. It came down. We tested it on these 2 bars. Market could not break through. The buy was actually down in here, right near that low on the retest after seeing it failed on that second bar. I saw it a little late. I jumped it. I've gotten in right in here with just a small amount. If the market comes back and the trade is if it still looks good at that point, if it were to pull back, I don't know if it's going to pull back. Doesn't look like it. Looks like it wants to go higher. That's why I want to enter here, because I didn't want to miss the trade. I am anticipating the market should in fact test the high of the day. The high of the day is 2060. So I've got small, right, 2 contracts. So on a retest, I'll take one off and I'll look for a bigger run to the upside, trying to fill that gap if the market can break through the high of the day. But first, the market needs to come back and try to retest the high of the day. Let's put another cursor down in these levels right in here, right in there. So we may see some type of resistance in here where these highs are, and then of course near the high of the day. So as you can see, what I've done is I've put a white horizontal line just slightly below those levels. So I'm watching it closely, and I'll be back as things get a little bit more interesting. Let's watch. All right, market's moving higher. It's moved. Okay, 59 is where I'm taking. Ooh, mistake here. Got to cancel that order. Okay, I want to get off one. Take one contract off at 59. We're almost there. All right, 59, right there. Here we go. 59. Took one off, so we've taken out 137. Okay. We got one contract left. So again, the market is doing exactly what we anticipated it doing. I'm just upset that I wasn't able to get it lower because I was distracted and doing something else. So we got in here too. We took one off at 59. Right, we were looking for the market to test these highs, which we're doing right now. The high of the day right here is the next significant level. I've got one contract left. So what I'm going to do to that remaining contract is I'm going to literally go to break even at 56 1/4 to see if this market can continue running. 56 1/4 would be right there. Let's put that in. 56 1/4, break even on that, and see if we can get this market to run a bit higher. So if the market comes down, takes me out, no big deal. At least we've made something for our efforts, right? We've made so far we've locked in with one contract $137.50, $137.50. We're up $287 if I were to take it off right now, but I don't want to do that. I want to see if we can get a bigger move to the upside. But first, the market needs to crack up through the high of the day, and we haven't been able to do that. The highest we've gone so far is 59 1/4, 59 1/4. Our first profit target was 59 from our 56 1/4 entry. So we made just a little under 3 points on the one contract, right? The 2 3/4 points, and we're at break even. So I will be back as things pick up here. Let's just see if the market's able to test the high of the day. We'll see. All right, as you can see, my trailing stop on that, the break even was hit just now. So the market was not able to move higher and take out the high or even test it. We came in within 75 cents of the high of the day, right? That's why my first objective was in these highs, which it came to. So at least we close out $137 on this trade. So 137 on this trade, and then between this and the gold trade so far, and it's not even 10:30 in the morning, not a bad day. If I get anything else today, I will let you know. Bye for now.